Shiftsmart's instant cash out feature lets hourly workers access earned wages before payday. To be eligible, you must be at least 18 years old or 16 to 17 with parental consent in some states. You need to work for a Shiftsmart integrated employer and have completed at least one shift. International workers are not supported. You'll also need a valid U.S. bank account or debit card linked to your Shiftsmart account and complete identity verification. As of November 2025, instant cash out is available in 48 U.S. states, excluding Hawaii and Alaska. To use it, clock in and out via the Shiftsmart app. Once the shift ends, earned wages become available for instant payout. Funds are then deposited into your linked account or issued via a Shiftsmart debit card. Shiftsmart charges a $2.49 fee per instant cash-out transaction, though low-income users can qualify for a fee waiver. The minimum payout amount is $10, while the maximum per transaction is $500. Daily limits are capped at $1,000 and weekly limits at $2,500 based on your earnings. You can't access more than 80% of your earned wages per pay period and no more than 50% of your total weekly earnings instantly. Fees are also capped at 10% of the payout amount. There's also a monthly rollover limit of $5,000. Remember that instant payouts are considered taxable income and will be reported on your W-2 form.